What's up and good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to Fountain Fox Unlimited. Today we're starting a new project, but before we get into that, I wanted to say a quick thank you to everyone who's been liking and subscribing to the videos. It definitely motivates me and helps me want to get out here and make more videos, both for myself and for you guys. With that being said, let's get into the new project. We are going to be adding 3 Baja Designs XL Sports to the front of the truck. As you can see, these are in the spot lens. All 3 of them are. I have 2 covers. I'm waiting on the 3rd right now, waiting on a little package from Baja Designs themselves. Oops, put some metal there. So, to install these on the front of the Silverado, a big issue came up for me. And that is, I could not, for the life of me, find a set of mounts that I liked. Everybody wants big, ugly bumpers or really gnarly looking mounts that just really aren't me. So with that being said, of course, I have been sitting here with some cardboard and sketching and figuring out, and I finally settled on this. So this was one of my ideas. I went through a couple different versions of having maybe a different light bar, but we finally settled on this. So this is my CAD or my cardboard aided design version to make a little plate. Originally, actually, it was going to be mounted like this. We're going to be mounting it to the front bumper of the truck and then the light up here, but then I realized that it actually fits perfectly this way. So it's actually going to be able to hide all the hardware and make it really nice and clean, and hopefully keep any jerks away from thinking that they could walk away with my stuff. So we went from this cardboard design, like I said. I always like making things out of cardboard. It really helps me to make sure that my idea is going to work. So we went from the cardboard to some steel. This is 1/8" plate. I was able to bend it in a vise and a 4-pound hammer. This hole we had to slot because this was the very first one that I made, and of course I didn't align that hole perfectly the first time, so had to slot that one. So we'll make that my center light so that we can adjust it left or right. But the other 2 came out nice. This one looks pretty good. This is actually the one that I just made. And right now, I'll actually show you while I'm still talking to you. This is the one that I actually just cut right now. I dropped the lines and went ahead and cut it out with my Milwaukee cutoff wheel. And then this is basically what we're going to be doing. So these plates are from Dirt King Fabrication down in San Diego, I believe it is. You can get these off their website for, I think it's like $5. So I bought a bunch of them. So this part's laser cut, so that's nice. And then, as you can see, what I'm building here is going to go around like so, and we should end up with something like this. I got a magnet just so that I could hold it together and really get a good visualization of what we're doing. But next up would be, we're going to lay some welds right around the edge there and get all 3 of these welded up. And then comes the not so stressful, slightly stressful part of drilling holes in the front bumper, which I'm actually not too upset about because I got some other plans for that. So we'll get into that. It's going to be a couple seconds for you guys, but next weekend for me. So we'll check in when we're loaded. Oops. What's up and good morning.